In the world of instrumentation, guided wave radar is at the forefront of level measurement technology. It's widely used across industries due to its ability to emit radio frequencies and use a time-of-flight algorithm to detect media in a process environment. However, special attention should be given to these radio frequency devices, as those frequencies must be directed towards the media being measured. One way to ensure this is to have proper installation techniques. In this example, we use a plastic fitting threaded into a larger metallic flange. As the probe is installed into the water, we can see the waveform locked to the correct level. However, the height of the wave is low because of the plastic fitting. If the plastic fitting would be installed on a plastic flange, we can expect an even worse amplitude. When the same installation is changed to a proper metallic fitting, the reading is the same as the first, but the height of the wave is much more pronounced, meaning that the signal is more reliable. Let's compare the echo launches as well. The upper image shows the distortion in the echo launch. This is likely caused by the proximity from the center of the plastic fitting to the face of the metallic flange. The lower image shows a much smoother transition as the material is metallic throughout. Since this greatly enhances the echo launch, we can expect a more reliable return signal. For help with your installations, contact your local ABB representative today.